Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the game and server are current, and you have any required key or item. Move to the garage exterior and scan for interactive seams, a keypad, or loose panels. Use your flashlight and approach the nearest handle or hinge. Once done, try the obvious pull or press. If nothing opens immediately, inspect around the frame for a small latch or electrical box. Don't pause, keep fingers on the controls, and prepare to switch to your multi-tool when prompted. Once you've exposed a panel, use the multi-tool to remove screws or trigger a hidden switch. You do this because the main latch is often behind that cover. Next, if the garage uses a code or keycard, insert or enter it now. If you don't have one, look for a nearby NPC or environment clue that reveals digits. If physics allow, apply steady force to an unlocked door to slide it. Make sure to duck and clear the sill. Then step inside with caution and assess the interior layout. You finish by securing the space. Close the door, disable any alarms, and stash the key or item in inventory or a safe spot. If the door won't stay open or a mission flag doesn't register, first reload your last checkpoint and retry the same sequence. Sometimes the trigger fails to spawn. If that fails, circle the building for an alternate entrance or a console that resets the garage state. Lastly, check your quest log or map markers to ensure the objective updates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.